Gandhi was INC session president. Remember which year I said you? 1924. Which session? In Karnataka, Belavi session. Gandhi understood that the organization of Congress is good, but we need to make it much more participative. How Congress is working or any political party is working on a crowdfunding. The crowdfunding is so high those days. But the annual subscription, annual membership, by the way, for the Congress is actually in rupees. It went to an extent of 10 rupees, 15 rupees, which is actually unbearable for the masses. So what Gandhi did, in the Belavi session when he was the president, he reduced the membership fee, by the way, to 4 annas, 25 paisa. Now this is definitely, we can say, Gandhi understood that how masses can be included in Congress more. Make a quick note here. Gandhi presided the Belavi session 1924. Gandhi presided the Belavi session 1924. Gandhi presided the Belavi session 1924. And strengthened his constructive programs. By reducing annual membership fee to 4 annas. Annual membership to 4 annas.